Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this nano spray machine with the model number F8. So stay tuned. Alright. So this is the box, just like this, very simple. You can see. And okay, let me read some of the specs for you all. And it's written product name, Nano Spray Machine. I know this is not the right name or something like that. I mean the brand name. This is a no brand name nano machine, but it's written product name Nano Spray Machine. Okay, with the model number F8, got the weight of 470 gram, and 10 watts, got 340 ml bottle capacity. This thing, alright. And what else? And spraying distance 0.6 till 1 meter. Okay, and got 1200 milliamp battery and 3 hours charging time, 2 hours operating time. Yeah, that's it. And this is the machine. So let's look inside. Okay, comes with a manual and a USB-C cable. Okay, that's it. Nothing else. So, ta-da! This is the nano spray machine, as you can see. Okay. In the back. So you got so here is when you are charging. There is indicator here when you are charging, and it's written here low, at the middle, and high here. And here you can turn it on. Okay, and here is the charging port, I mean USB-C. Okay, and nothing special about this thing. And the bottle, so 340 ml. Okay, and to turn it on, so you can see it's already okay. And got 2 speed. This is the first speed, the second speed, and off. So first speed, second speed, off. Okay, so you can see. Okay, and wait a moment. So we're gonna try put this thing inside. It's a Baba Colon. You can see. So gonna open this thing and open this one as well. Okay, smells good. Okay, then put this thing inside. So we're gonna test it out. Right, you can smell it. Baba Cologne. It's like this. Yes. So now oof. Okay. See, it's a really good one. Really good one. Oh, this thing smells so good. This is really good. So that's it for the unboxing of this nano spray machine. I mean mist spray machine. I don't know what you can really call it. So peace, man. All right.